NordVPN's latest discount just went live, and it's definitely one of the best deals they've released recently. They've launched one of their biggest promos of the year, and it's available exclusively through the official link below. Or if you're watching this on a bigger screen or mobile, just scan the QR code on screen. It'll take you directly to the active deal page. No need to search for codes, copy and paste anything, or wonder if it still works. The discount is applied automatically. Just one click or one scan, and you're good to go. Here's what you get. You can sign up for NordVPN for as low as $3.39 per month, with savings of up to 70% depending on the plan you choose. That's a huge drop from the standard pricing, but it's only available for a limited time. So, why choose NordVPN? Over 6,000 servers in 110 plus countries, speeds optimized for streaming, gaming, and downloading, threat protection blocks malware, trackers, and intrusive ads, protects up to 10 devices per account, and most importantly, a strict no logs policy to keep your data private. Let's quickly break down the plans. The basic plan gives you fast and secure VPN access, full encryption, and real-time protection. Perfect if you're just looking for solid online privacy and global access. The Plus plan adds on Threat Protection Pro, NordPass, their secure password manager, and a data breach scanner that alerts you if your info is leaked online. And the complete plan includes everything in plus 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage with NordLocker. Great if you want secure backup and file access from anywhere. Signing up is easy. Just head to the link in the description or scan the QR code, choose your plan, enter your payment info, and you're done. You can pay with credit card, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency for extra privacy. Once you've signed up, you can install NordVPN on your phone, laptop, tablet, or even your router, and be protected in seconds. The apps are super intuitive and beginner-friendly. I've also linked a beginner's tutorial in the description in case you need help setting it up or choosing the best server for your needs. Here's what to do next. Click the first link in the description, or scan the QR code you see on screen, and grab this limited-time NordVPN deal before it's gone. Thanks for watching, and enjoy secure, private access to the internet with NordVPN.